It is a 7:52 p.m. on February 26th. I am in Paris in the casino right now, checking out what's happening here. Seems like there's a lot of people. They're enjoying playing all different kind of games. Okay, if you want to go up to Eiffel Towers, up to the 46th floor, you pay $27.50 per person, and second one goes up there for free to look around and view all around the strip. And that is if you are staying in the Paris Hotel. If you're not staying in the Paris Hotel, then you have to pay for every person goes up there. But the restaurant is up to the 11th floor, which would be nice to enjoy lunch, dinner, whichever you enjoy more. And if you want to enjoy the strip view, you go to the beer park where you sit out there, enjoy the ambiance, and you can watch Caesar Palace, the fountain show. So if you want to go up to Eiffel Tower restaurant, is up there on the 11th floor. And if you want to have a nice view all over the city, is up on 46th floor. Pay for one person and get the second one for free.
Before God saved me, I didn't know I was on my way to hell. Before God saved me, I didn't even know there was a God. Had no idea. Had no clue that there was even a God. And when God revealed himself to me on the day of salvation, he saved me. Oh, I was grateful with that so much. And there I was.